Now let me ask you something. What if I told you you can become a visual assistant in the next 20 minutes, even with zero experience, and you can start getting paid online faster than you think? Sounds crazy, right? But here is the truth. Most people don't fail because they can't do the work. They fail because they don't know where to start, and more importantly, where to get hired. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a visual assistant step by step, the exact skills you need even as a beginner, and the secret websites where people are getting hired fast right now. Stay till the end because I'll show you a strategy that can get you your first client in days. Before we move forward, what is a visual assistant? A visual assistant, or VA, is simply someone who helps businesses or individuals with tasks online. You are basically getting paid to help people remotely. And the best part is, you don't need a degree, you don't need years of experience, you just need simple digital skills. Now here are the common tasks of a visual assistant: responding to emails, managing social media, data entry, scheduling meetings, and customer support. These are things you can learn very quickly. Now let's move to the most important part, which is the skills that you need. Don't overthink this. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know one skill. And some of these skills are email management, Google Docs, Excel, basic communication, and social media posting. If you are familiar with those basic skills, you can move to the next level, which is the intermediate skills, which includes Canva design, content writing, customer service tools, and calendar management. After learning the intermediate skills, you can move to the high income skills aspect. If you want to earn more later, you can start with social media management, copywriting, lead generation, and automation tools. Here is a quick advice. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one skill, practice it, and start applying immediately. Now that you know the skills, let's set you up like a professional. Here is where most people get stuck. They think they need experience before they start, but that's wrong. All you need is to create a simple profile. Use your phone or laptop, your name, visual assistant as your title, and then list your skills underneath it. Step 2, create sample work. No experience, no problem. Create samples, write a simple email, design a post on Canva, organize a fake schedule. This makes you look professional instantly. Step 3, be ready to apply for jobs. Don't wait till you feel perfect. You can start messy and improve later. Forget everything you've heard about crowded platforms. Let me show you 5 powerful websites where beginners are quietly getting hired right now. And yes, one of them is a platform that you already use every day, but you are using it the wrong way. First, we have LinkedIn. Now, this one is not just a job board. It's a gold mine for visual assistants if you know how to use it. Most beginners only scroll LinkedIn, but smart people use it to get clients directly. Businesses and entrepreneurs are constantly posting on this platform because they are looking for a visual assistant, they need help managing emails, and they are hiring remote assistants. And guess what? Many of them don't even post on job boards. And this is how to use LinkedIn properly. Step 1, you optimize your profile. Title: visual assistant, email and admin support. Add simple descriptions of what you do. Step 2, use the search looking for a visual assistant. Step 3, send direct messages. Example: hi, I saw your post about needing help. I am a visual assistant and I can assist you with this. The second website is called Remote OK. This one is one of the best websites for finding remote jobs globally. Thousands of companies post here, and many roles are fully remote, and you can find beginner-friendly jobs. Some of the roles that you will find on this website are customer support roles, admin assistant jobs, and entry-level remote jobs. Why this platform works is because jobs are updated daily. You can filter by remote and entry level, and then many startup companies hire on this platform. How to win on this platform? Step 1, you filter by remote. Then step 2, look for junior or entry level. Step 3, you apply within the first 24 hours that the job is posted. Timing is everything on this platform. The third website is called We Work Remotely. This is a premium level job board where serious companies hire remote workers. Big companies hire remote first teams and they offer high paying jobs. Most people think this platform is only for experts, but that's not true because many companies are willing to train beginners, especially for support and admin roles. Now, the job types that you will find on this platform are visual assistant, customer support, and social media assistant. There is a secret strategy on how to apply on this platform. Don't just apply. Visit the company website and send direct emails. This increases your chances by ×2. The fourth website is called FlexJob. This platform is known for high quality, scam-free jobs. Every job is verified, no fake listing and no time wasting applications. Why this platform is different is because most job boards are filled with scam, but FlexJob filters everything, so your effort is not wasted. What you will find on this platform is visual assistant roles, data entry jobs, and admin support positions. Please note that FlexJob sometimes requires a small subscription, but many people use it because the jobs are real. The competition is lower. The final website is called Belay. Now this one is different because you are not just applying for jobs. You are applying to work with a company that hire visual assistants. Companies like Belay hire visual assistants, train them, and connect them with clients. This platform is perfect for beginners because you don't need to find a client yourself. You get structured work, you gain real experience. How to apply? You go to their career page, apply as a visual assistant, and complete their onboard processing. This may be selective, but if you get in, you can earn consistently and build long-term income. Now you know where the opportunities are. Let me show you how to actually get hired fast. This is where 90% of people fail. They apply once and then sit and wait, but that's not how this works. The first rule in landing a remote job fast is apply daily. Minimum of 5 to 10 applications per day. This is a numbers game. The second rule is be direct. Don't write long grammar. Keep it simple and direct. The third rule is use multiple platforms. Don't depend on one website. Apply on 3 to 5 platforms daily. The fourth rule is follow up after 2 to 3 days. Send a message again. This alone can double your chances. The final rule is build trust fast. Respond quickly, be professional, and deliver small value upfront. Your first job might pay small, but it opens doors to bigger clients. So let's recap. You can become a visual assistant in 20 minutes. You don't need experience, you just need action and consistency. If you've been struggling online, it's not because you're not good enough. You just didn't have the right system. In 2026, remote jobs are everywhere, but only people who take action get paid. Start today, pick one skill, create your profile, apply consistently, and make your first dollar online. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe for more remote job secrets, and comment visual assistants below. See you in our next video.